Is Microsoft Mahjong not installing on your Windows PC from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store? Does the download get stuck, fail instantly, or show an error message? In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to successfully install Microsoft Mahjong on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the Start menu. Type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Microsoft Store to be repaired. Now your store should be fixed. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window to paste it. Press Enter. Copy the second command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window to paste it. Press Enter. Wait for the Microsoft Store to be fixed. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows. Type Exit and then press Enter.